Hi everyone, Amanda, your EdTech here. Today we're going to learn Snagit, the updated version of the snipping tool. The benefit to Snagit is you can now drag and drop. No more saving if you don't want to. Let me flip my screen around and show you how. Okay, here we have the desktop, and if I come down to the left corner in the search bar and I type in Snagit, I'm looking for Snagit the app. You have an orange and you have a blue. We'll go over the blue editor in a minute. But if you have the orange, go ahead and open it. If you do not have Snagit, then you can type in Software Center, open up Software Center. In Software Center, search for Snagit and go ahead and install it. If you do not have it in the Software Center, then put in a global help desk ticket and IT will install Snagit on your desktop. Here is Snagit. You have a lot of different features. I encourage you to get in there and test features, find out what you like. But what we're going to focus on is we have image, we have video. You notice in the image, one feature that I use all the time is the time delay. So you can set that on how many ever seconds you would like, and then your image would be on a time delay. You can record video as well, and then here's your all-in-one. To take image or video, you're going to hit the red capture button. I'm going to go ahead. I turned on the time delay. You see it's counting down. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my image. And then at the bottom, I'm going to hit capture the image. Now, here is Snagit Editor, which is that blue app that I talked about in the beginning. Now, the first thing you want to do when you first open your Snagit Editor is come to the top and go to View. One of the best features that I absolutely love, click this Recent Captures, and this is where you can drag and drop into your Outlook. The other view I like to add, Recent Captures and Sidebar. I like that. Oh, we'll hit Pin Recent Capture so it stays down there. And I like using the sidebar. You have about the same thing up here, but I just like the looks of the sidebar the better. You can edit right in the Snagit editor. So say I want to draw a green arrow and draw attention to this part of my email. Or maybe I want to draw attention with a red square to this part of my email. You can also add text, and there's all these different text features. Maybe I want to add a text box. Check this out. And you can play around with the features. Again, there's many, many different features. I encourage you to check out which ones you like the best. Now up here, you can go to the share button and you can share directly with your Google Drive, you can share with Word, you can copy directly to the clipboard, you can share to your desktop or your OneDrive from here. But what I like to do is I like to come down here, click on this image, and drag and drop it into my email, and it automatically attaches. No more saving the file on your desktop and then attaching it into the email. So I encourage you to check out Snagit versus Snippet. Lots of different features. I hope this helps.